just drag down and see it is scale entity. What exactly this? So select scale entities and select the whole part. Just we want to increase or decrease the size of this our drawings or our objects. So just select scale about any point you just select. I selected here. And how many numbers you want? We want to enlarge 2 numbers. See, it is going to enlarge double of this one. If we will select copy, then it will copy. If we will not select copy, let's select copy. Select OK. See, this already here and it is copied in 2 times bigger than the current drawing. Just undo and we will see one more time. Select all the parts. Choose scale entities. Now select any point. OK. And this time select 0.5 mm. And do not copy. So see, it is going to be smaller than this. If we will not copy, then this will not appear. Select OK. See, now it's become smaller than our previous drawing. So scale means you just reduce the size of drawings, enlarge the size of drawings as per your reference or as per your requirement. This is the main aim of scaling.